Hello mga bay, so my name is Alex and welcome back to Gadgets By. And today I have something new for you and it's this one. The new Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G. And you've probably seen a lot of vlogs about this phone but still have questions in mind. And one of which is this one. So ang tanong, gagana ba tong phone na to dito sa Pilipinas? So today we'll find out if the Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G will work with Smart's 5G, especially here in Cebu. So, mga bay, tara, let's find out! Alright, so before we do the 5G testing of this Xiaomi Mi 10T, let's check first what's inside the box. Okay, so we're done with the unboxing and you've seen the specs also of this phone. So I already configured this one and I use a Smart 5G SIM because right now we'll do the actual 5G testing. But remember, for you to experience 5G, you need to have a 5G phone, a 5G SIM, and we need to be in an area where there's 5G signal. So luckily for us here in Cebu, Smart already has several 5G sites. So we'll be going to Marketplace along AS Fortuna and we'll do an actual testing and check if the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G will work with Smart's 5G network. So are you excited? Oh, me too. Let's go! Alright, so there you have it. We now know that the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G will work with Smart's 5G network. So that's good news. In case you've been wanting to buy this phone, in case may mga hesitations pa, now we've done the speed test as well as the testing. And yeah, it works with Smart's 5G. And that's it for your friend here, Alex. Once again, inviting you to please like and share this video if you've learned something, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Gadgets By. So until then, stay safe everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.